Hello everyone, welcome to our show, The Mutual Fund Guys. I'm Samir and with me is Mahesh. This is a channel where we only talk about mutual funds. Today's topic is an interesting topic. It's a topic that I think will resonate with all of us. What prevents us from becoming rich? It's a topic that I think all of us are interested in. Mahesh, let's start with what prevents us from being rich.
So let me answer this by asking you a question in turn, right?
Sure.
What is it that all of us really want? And when we ask this question to people almost always say we want money, we want health, whatever other things that they will all talk about. But if you delve deeper, what you find is that we as a species actually want excitement, change. Why do you need the money? So that you have the ability to create excitement for yourself. Why do you need health? So that you can enjoy things in life and create excitement, right? There is all the other things don't really matter. What we really want is excitement. And we always are in the search of excitement. If you think about your own life, what do you think, what do you look out for? Like, for example, you play paddle, right? Now, you play paddle for a long time. Why? Because you play with a group of friends. Also, you enjoy the game itself. So when you win, lose, there is this either excitement or anxiousness, whatever. But there is this whole thing that keeps you engaged, right? All the time with that game. And, why do we take a vacation? It's not just for we want to get out of this stressful life. We also crave for that change, that excitement of going out and enjoying ourselves, right? So this is, I think, the basic need that we all have. Now, it is all very good if we stick to playing paddle or going out on a vacation or eating out with friends once in a while. What happens is that in this desperate craving for excitement, people do a few things. I'll list it out. One, you might actually play online poker or rummy, right? Why? Not just for making money, but that is exciting.
Excitement.
Right? Or you could decide that I'll do options trading. We tell ourselves the story that it is because we want to make money, but actually what keeps us engaged all the time in that whole expiry trading and options trading business is the fact that it is exciting. Every day you get up at 9 and sit on the laptop at 9 and then till 3:30 your body is like, focused totally, and it is exciting. Do you know that, Nitin Kamath of Zerodha has given this wonderful statistics, right? That only 1% of the people actually make money. And this is out there, It's not that no option trader knows that this is the case, but we all believe that we are that 1% and the others are idiots, right? This is one of the things that we all do or we can do, at a still better level. I'm listing it all down from the worst to what we do, right? So the next step is that we all as people can say, okay, I'm not an idiot. I don't want to get into option trading or expiry trading, but I'll buy stocks on my own. And that whole thing about buying stocks on your own is not just the belief that you will be better than the fund manager who in the mutual fund, but you also have that craving ki ye maine kharida. This is my decision. And that makes it exciting. Buying
a lot of people who invest in stocks, I used to do it. I still do sometimes, but excitement comes from the researching the stock. Excitement comes for in some attending the conference calls, also interacting on those conference calls. It's an excitement, and I would say sometimes it's also a reason to get rid of some of your boredom. You want to do something, and you want to be engaged in something or the other all the time.
People
you can't sit
create
and
their own
relax and be a
community
Buddha.
of investors, right? One set of investors get together and then they exchange ideas. It is a way to spend time. It is a way to keep engaged. And that is exciting. Now, when I say buy mutual funds and hold it for a long time and once in a while maybe change the scheme because you think something else is performing better or that your risk profile has to be adjusted, the schemes have to be adjusted according to your risk profile, that has no activity levels, right? You buy, you sit and you can't even see on a daily basis what is happening, things like that. You don't know what stocks those mutual funds own. The most non-exciting thing that you can do.
Very boring. Yes,
boring. So here is the point. What happens is that when you do this non-exciting thing, it is possible that you will actually become rich because the market will grow and you will actually do well and the wealth will grow. But when you try and make it exciting by making changes or by doing all the other stuff that we have talked about, the chances are that the money that you could have made through just passive investments in mutual funds is not what you will actually experience when you do any of this other stuff. So that is one of the key reasons why wealth is not being created. For example, we have talked about in our past videos that mutual funds, simple large cap mutual funds did 14% in the last 10 years. Now 14% is big. So if you had multi-cap or flexi-cap, it would have been 17% compounded. How many of us have actually done that, right?
And I'll just sort of now summarize it and also give you a last statistic for our viewers is HDFC ELSS Tax Saver Fund.
Yeah.
They came up with not a study, yeah, but a study that if you're invested for 28 years, even an SIP of 10,000 rupees a month, you would have made some close to 7 or 8 crore rupees. And then they also said the fact that in these 28 years, there was only 1% investor who stuck around for those 28 years. And the others kept moving in, moving out, moving in, moving out, and they didn't get the benefit of it. So the point is very simple, what you're trying to make, Mahesh, that make other aspects of your life interesting.
Correct.
Do not make the aspect of investment interesting, because that will lead to you doing things that you shouldn't do, and you would interrupt your investing process, which will
Correct.
lead inferior returns.
Correct.
And that is not something that you would want.
Yeah. So I'll just give you one example as a parting example, right? In this movie Lagan, for example, you know this, there is this guy Kachra. Have you seen Lagan? The guy who spins the
guy
ball,
with the,
right?
yeah.
Now, when he's an untouchable, and in
Yeah.
those days, nobody would associate themselves with that guy. So when Kachra is included in the team, the entire team revolts against Amir Khan and tells him that you lost it. I mean, we
You can't do
play
this to
with
us,
this guy.
yeah.
If you include him, we are not playing. And then what does Amir Khan say? He says that this is not a game. This is not exciting things for. This is not a game we are doing for fun and excitement. This is something we are doing to ensure that our livelihood remains, right?
एक बात आप सब लोगों का फिर से याद दिलाई दूं, ये सिर्फ खेल नहीं है जो हम किसी के मौज मनोरंजन के लिए खेलते हैं। ये एक लड़ाई है जो हमका जीतनी है। हमारा मकसद सिर्फ एक है, लगान से मुक्ति, गांव की खुशहाली। परों के वास्ते में मरते दम तक किसी के सामने नहीं झुकूंगा।
We have to do everything possible and win. This is like a business for us. This is the most important thing that we are going to do in the next few months, and we need to ensure that we are not playing for excitement or anything. We will do everything that we need to win. And Kachra was included in the team. So what I'm trying to say through this video is that remember that investment is not for excitement, right? Investment is a business. It's something that you do to ensure that your future changes for the better, and you create the kind of wealth that the markets can create for you. So remove excitement from investing. That's the only lesson that we have here.
So thank you for watching. We hope you like this video. We'll come up with more of such videos. If you have any questions, please write to us at hello@amsinvestments.net. That's net. And Mahesh and I will be more than happy to write back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.